Hello my lovely peoples, welcome to my channel Glamour World by Ritika. Hope you all guys are doing well. I'm also doing well. So I was a bit inactive this week because some of my personal reasons, but I promise that I will post a video every week from now. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. But first let me tell you today's video's topic. So today's video is all about base makeup. Yes, today I'm going to teach you how to make your foundation long lasting during summers, or how to make your medium coverage foundation to high coverage foundation. So before applying the foundation, you have to prep your skin perfectly or moisturize your skin. So you have to do some skincare before you start the base makeup. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let's watch. So first I'm going to use this Good Vibes Cucumber Toner. I'm going to spray all over my face. And now I'm going to let it dry naturally. So wait 5 minutes until it's dry. So after applying the toner, I'm going to use this Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum to moisturize my skin. You can obviously use any type of moisturizer you like, but if you have serum, use the serum, because serum helps your foundation to glide smoothly all over your skin. You need 3 to 4 drops of serum. Just apply 1 drop on forehead, 1 drop on the both cheeks, and 1 drop on the chin. Now lightly massage the serum all over your face and give 5 minutes to dry out the serum. So after applying the serum, I'm going to use this VLCC matte sunscreen in SPF 30+++. Don't skip sunscreen because sunscreen is very important. Just take a little bit of sunscreen. It looks like foundation. Then apply on your face. I'm going to use this Blue Heaven primer. You can use any primer you like, so it's up to you, but I'm going to use this. So take a little bit of primer on the hands or fingers. Wash your hands before you start the makeup, okay? It's very important to maintain your hygiene. So apply the primer. So here is the trick to make your foundation long lasting. Use some compact powder or loose powder. Here I am using the Faces one. You can use any compact you have, and apply all over the oily areas of your face. My T-zone is more oily than other areas of my face. That's why I apply the compact only on my T-zone. You can use all over your face. You can use loose powder as well. Then apply setting spray. I know it sounds weird that applying the setting spray before finishing the makeup, but trust me, it will help you a lot to make your foundation long lasting. So trust me and trust the process as well. So apply the setting spray first. Now let it dry naturally. To make my foundation long lasting and full coverage, I use color correctors from NY Bay. The one is green corrector and the second one is the orange color corrector. So I applied the green corrector on my face areas where I have pigmentation. Those who don't know what pigmentation called, let's see this area of my face. It's black here on my lips area and this side, and on my forehead areas and my side cheeks. This called the face pigmentation. So if you have any of this, use the green color corrector. And now I'm going to use the orange color corrector on my under eyes and a little bit where I have pimple marks to hide them. Don't use excessive orange corrector because it will make your foundation look orangey. So apply a little bit amount, because you know, right, less is more. It will help you as a blush as well. It's a joke. It will not help you as a blush. So it's a joke. Jokes apart. Now let's blend it. Don't blend too hard, just lightly blend the thing. I look like June auntie na? Again, jokes apart. So after the color correctors is blend, apply a little bit of powder. I am using the Face Canada powder again to set them. Now use a concealer on where you applied the color corrector to seal them. So I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. Use a concealer which is your shade, not one shade lighter. Use the exact shade of, just to hide them. Blend with the same beauty blender. Don't forget to wet your beauty blender. Okay. So now I'm going to apply the foundation. So for the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and I'm going to apply the foundation using a flat foundation brush. To make your foundation looks like high coverage, you have to use the brush, because beauty blender gives you a medium to low coverage, but the brush gives you the high coverage. Because beauty blender soaks some product, the brush does not absorb any products, that's why. So I'm going to take first one pump, then I'm going to cover this area first. Blend your foundation in circular motion. First apply one layer. One puff, just imagine one puff gives you this much of coverage, then think about two puffs. So after blending the first layer, now I am going to take the second layer. So now I take about this much of foundation. So now I am going to apply dotly all over my face, then I am going to blend it out. So don't forget the eyelids. I know this looks very strange right now, but let me finish, then I will show you the final look. So after you're done with the brush, take a beauty blender and spray some setting spray all over the beauty blender. Then blend the foundation. Now apply a concealer which is one shade lighter to your skin tone. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 Light. So I'm going to apply the concealer very lightly on my under eyes, a little bit on my nose bridge, forehead, little bit on my chin, on my these areas. I'm going to blend it out. So for the baking, I am going to use this Maybelline New York Fit Me loose powder in the shade 25 medium. I am going to take a little bit on my beauty blender. I am going to apply all over my under eye area, little bit on my cheeks like this. It will help you to do a contour as well. On my nose bridge, little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my mouth area. Now wait about 5 minutes. Now wait 5 minutes until it's get absorbed to your skin. Then just dust it off with a fluffy brush. So it's in 5 minutes and the powder is also absorbed on my skin, and apply a little bit of foundation on my neck while my face is baking. So now let's dust off the powder with a fluffy brush. So the final step is the setting spray. Apply a lots of setting spray all over your face, and after applying the setting spray, let it dry with natural air. Don't rub with beauty blender or anything else. It will move your foundation away. So wait and keep patience. So now wait until the setting spray is dry out fully. So yeah, the base is done, and as you can see, it gives you a lot more coverage than the medium coverage. So let me finish the rest of my makeup off camera, then I will show you the final look. So this is the final look, as you can see. So if you guys enjoyed this video and love this look, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also I am going to give every product links on my description box, so you guys go and check it out. Okay, so that's all about the video. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.